Maximize the speed and ease of door lock and knob installation projects with the LockMatePLUS by Milescraft. Perfect for large jobs where time is money, the self-clamping design sets up in seconds without the need for screws or hardware. The non-marring clamp has a wide rubber surface that sets up or removes instantly, prevents slipping, and protects doors. To use the LockMatePLUS, first measure the door. Attach the spacer plate to doors measuring 1 3/8 inches, or remove the plate for doors with 1 3/4 inch thickness. Doorknobs and deadbolts have two common back sets, 2 3/8 inches and 2 3/4 inches. Most are adjustable to either setting. Make sure to measure other hardware in the home to assure uniformity. To set the back set on the LockMatePLUS, simply insert the removable drill guide into the appropriate setting. Long-lasting drill guides have a unique built-in metal bushing. The large guide's stepped profile also helps prevent damage and extend the life of the jig. To mount the jig, measure the appropriate handle height and mark a line on the door. Place the LockMatePLUS on the door with the line centered and simply twist the clamp. Now you're ready for action. High-quality, cobalt-infused bimetal hole saws make quick work when drilling any interior or exterior door. The bits are designed for use with any door material, wood, composite, hollow core, or metal doors. The 2 1/8 inch hole saw cuts the hole for both handles and deadbolts. Drill from one side until the pilot tip exits the door. Then continue drilling from the other side to prevent tear out. Switch to the 1 inch hole saw to cross-bore the perfect hole for latches. The LockMatePLUS also includes a deadbolt locator attachment. Before removing the jig, insert the locator and mark the center for perfectly spaced knobs and locks. With the holes drilled, the hardware can now be installed. The LockMatePLUS from Milescraft is the fastest and easiest way to complete large door projects in a fraction of the time. Having the right tool makes all the difference. Milescraft, always the better idea.